Happy Sunday, Toppers family, and welcome to another episode of my top 3 fitted hats of the week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. And boy, oh boy, this was a crazy week. A lot of different styles dropped, a lot of different licenses dropped, and I have to confess that I'm still very, very much in love with the NHL because it gives us so much more opportunities as a designer to do new different things for you guys, of course. And let's go into this and let's have a look what I've chosen this week. So I would like to start with Topperzstore USA, and my first hat is the third place this week from Topperzstore USA. Kelly Green UV White Guts, the Chicago Cubs, the Walking Cubby, and I like that spring training logo a lot with the Stone Dome, black metallic pewter, and then, I mean, you can never go wrong with this side patch, the Chicago Cubs All-Star Game 1990 side patch, flat Cooperstown Batterman on the back, super clean, but this has a special touch. Absolute beautiful hat. I love it how it came out, and this is my third place this week from Topperzstore USA. My second place, and you guys know I'm a huge collector of hockey jerseys, and oh my god, I need all of those hats to match my hockey jerseys. Kelly Green UV White Guts, and then we got the Predators, the Nashville Predators, and look at this beautiful hat, A gold. Then you got this Oceanside visor button and wonderful 10th anniversary, 10th season side patch. This pops off so good, that logo with the metallic gold and the metallic silver outline. And then we got this beautiful vintage hockey shield on the back, my absolute favorite, as you know. And I guess a lot of you guys like the vintage hockey shield more than the other one. Kelly Green UV and White Guts. So, my first place this week, and of course, I mean, I'm biased, you know. You see what I'm wearing? I'm a huge Detroit Red Wings fan, and this reminds me of one of my favorite players, Pavel Datsyuk, with the D in the front, and oh my god, red, black, super nice combo, golden outline, that D logo, I absolutely love it. Then we got this old Red Wings logo on the side with metallic gold outline, pops really good, and the vintage shield, of course, in the back with the golden stars, the Detroit Red Wings, gray UV, black guts. Beautiful hat. My first place this week from Topperzstore USA. Let me know in the comments below, what were your favorite hats this week from Topperzstore USA? Do you agree with my selection, or did you pick something else? Let me know in the comments. And of course, if you have not hit the subscribe button to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. It will help the channel a lot, and you can join the greatest hat community on this planet, the Topperzstore family. And if you liked the video so far, please also hit the like button. Thank you very much. Without further ado, let's go over to Topperzstore and have a look what we dropped this week. And my third place, because it's so different, is this Bones and Skull Los Angeles Dodgers gray UV black guts, huge bold Los Angeles script in the front, Major League Baseball, and this side patch. Oh my god, I was so impressed when I saw it the first time. It came out so great. All these colorings on this one are absolutely amazing. And then you got a flat MLB Batterman on the back, as already said, gray UV black guts. The Dodgers, my third place this week from Topperzstore in Europe. My second place, and this was a global release that we did, and it's made of wool. It's a hockey hat, and it's a very rare logo. The Constellation Bull, second place this week from Topperzstore, from both. It was released on both. The Dallas Stars Constellation Bull, and look at this beautiful hat. I mean, come on. Dark green, 10th anniversary. That side patch is amazing. The front logo is so well executed. Shout out to Noera for this great embroidery. And then you got the NHL vintage shield on the back. Hat 100% green, dark green wool, gray UV, black guts, the Dallas Stars. My second place this week from Topperzstore. And now my first place, and I guess this was easy. It was a risk when we did this, but it came out really, really good. And there we go. Oh my god. This is absolute insane. It looks so crazy. And I mean, New Era outdid themselves with manufacturing this hat. It's crazy. This gold looks absolutely gorgeous on this one. Black, all black, and then this gold, totally gold out NHL shield on the back. You can see every detail, gray UV. Black Guts, the Anaheim Ducks, all gold. It's my first place this week from Topperzstore. So do you agree with my selection, or did you pick something else? Let me know in the comments below. And I would like to thank you guys for your support as always. All this here would not be possible without you guys, and I hope you enjoy shopping with us. And I would like to thank you one more time for that. So tomorrow we will be back with Cap Talk episode 185, and we are loaded with fantastic new hats on both stores, so make sure you tune in. And we will also take a look at the current stage of our voting for our next community hat. So this will be a lot of fun, and in the meantime, I hope you can enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I will, and I'm out now. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.